I just got done firing a test round to make sure the Damascus would hold the load. It's a kicker. These rounds are a little like artillery. Got 180 grains of double F black. Homemade pinfire cases. She has a push. Oh. I have to find out why that didn't go off. Those are kickers. Let's go down and see what they did. Looks like I'm getting pretty good accuracy out of it for offhand, not knowing what it's going to do. That was the 25-yard sight at 25 yards.